If you want to know how to screenshot in Opera GX, this video is going to make it super simple. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the fastest way to launch the Snapshot tool, how to capture just the exact part of the screen you want, how to take a full screen screenshot, and even how to save a page as a PDF when you need a cleaner export. So if you've ever wondered how to quickly grab images, web pages, or full screen content inside Opera GX, you're in the right place. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The fastest way to take a screenshot in Opera GX is to use the Snapshot tool. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and the 5 together. That instantly opens the capture utility, so you do not have to hunt through menus or settings. Once the tool appears, you'll see crosshairs that let you select the exact area you want to capture. Click and drag over the section of the screen you want to screenshot. This is really useful when you only want part of a web page, a specific image, or a section of text without grabbing everything else on the page. After you draw the selection box, you can still fine-tune it. Just drag the corners of the box to resize the frame until it matches the area you want perfectly. That means you get more control over your screenshot before you save or copy it. If you want to capture everything that's currently visible on your screen, there's an easier option. In the pop-up menu, click Capture Full Screen. This will instantly snap everything visible on your current monitor layer, which is great when you want to save the whole browser window or a complete visible layout in one shot. It's fast, simple, and perfect for tutorials, troubleshooting, or sharing what's on your screen. Now, there's one more option that's worth knowing. If what you really want is a clean export of the whole page structure, look for the Save Page as PDF option. This is especially helpful when you want to preserve a document, article, or web page in a format that keeps the layout neat and easy to share. Instead of flattening everything into a regular image, a PDF can be a better choice for readability and organization. So to recap, press Ctrl plus Shift plus 5 to open the Snapshot tool, drag to capture a custom area, use Capture Full Screen for everything visible, or choose Save Page as PDF for a cleaner document-style export. Once you get used to it, taking screenshots in Opera GX becomes quick and effortless. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy guides, browser tips, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.